everybody, and welcome to another video. Now this is a very different video. I will be doing quite a bit of moaning. Hold on, no, that's just like all the other videos, isn't it? But where this is different, we are concentrating on one subject and one subject only. And the subject of the day is the good old British workforce. I even made a little jingle.
Tony's always moaning. This time it's the good old British workforce. Time to get to Moany Tony.
Now this channel's normally about bad driving. It can be a lot of other things, but it's normally about bad driving. And I can spot a bad driver a mile away. I can see what they're going to do way before they've even done it. That's just the way I drive. Years of experience. But when we come to roadworks, temporary lights, cones, with no one working in there, you very rarely look into the system of what they're doing. And most of the time, there isn't anyone even there. Never mind doing nothing. There isn't anyone there. If we look at this roadworks here, sorry, I keep calling them roadworks, temporary lights with cones. There's no one working there, which happens far too often, more often than you actually realise. When you drive past these things, have a little look. Don't take your eyes off the road too much, but you're 9 times out of 10, you'll see it like this. And people defend it. I don't understand why people defend it. Over to the right hand side, all the equipment's there, all their diggers and everything else, it's all there, but no workers. Yeah, the good old British workforce, and people, as I say, defend this. They say that the people that put the cones out and all that, they're a different company to the people that actually do the digging and the working. Well, they need to be coordinated a little bit better so it's not stuck there for ages and ages doing nothing. That is higher management. And when I talk about the British workforce, I'm talking from the Joey that's out in the street digging the hole or sitting in his van, and the guys in the offices that are telling the Joeys what to do. They all need a bit of a restructure in my view anyway. Now this video might be a little bit boring for some people because we will be going down the same stretch of road for quite a long time and on different days, because the roadworks that I'm talking about were there for over 2 months, and the amount of times that I actually saw someone doing something, I wouldn't like to say a figure because I didn't actually start clicking the clicker on the dash cam until I sort of like started to think, should I do a video on this and show people what the good old British workforce is all about when we get our gas bills at the end of the month or end of the quarter, whenever you get them, and you look at them and think, bloody hell, that's really expensive. Well, you're paying for this, yeah? You're paying for management and workers like what I'm about to show you. And I don't think it's a one-off here, because we've just seen one back there, and I'm going to show you one more before we get onto the main road. So we're going to go back to the future to March. Now this is in the Croydon, Fulton Heath area, and as you can see, there's cones, traffic lights, barriers, but no workers. I'm just showing you this just to say that this isn't a one-off that I could see here, and it's a bit different though. So we're going to go now back to the future again.
The 17th of February.
Yes, February, and now everything from now on will work in date order, okay? I will put the dates up. You can see the dates in the bottom left-hand side anyway, but everything will be in date order from now on. As you can see, there is a van over to the left-hand side, badly parked on the end there, double yellow lines, roadworks to the left-hand side. And he's sitting there in his van, yeah? He's sitting there in his van, and the cones and the lights are there. And there is another van up there, and you can just see that there is another man sitting in that van. Yeah, there are 2 vans there, and there's 2 people sitting in the vans doing nothing. This is gasworks, by the way, just so you know. Another thing to take note of is the time. Always look at the time. 8:41, okay? 8:41. Same day, we're going back the other way at 6 minutes past 10. Okay, going past it the same day. He's not in his van over there on the left, but look in front, there's 2 people in that van sitting there. So they've been sitting in there for nearly 2 hours doing nothing. There's nothing been done, and all that's happened is that one person's got out of one van and gone to sit with his mate in the roadworks here. Yeah, so nearly 2 hours, they've done nothing other than one person get out of the van and go and sit in the other van. There they are, hard at it. Oh no, sorry, they've opened the back doors. Yeah, they've opened the back doors of their van. Yeah, good job, boys. So now we're going to skip forward one day, that's all, one day.
The 18th of February.
And as you can see, the lorry's still there, the van, whatever you want to call it. And the guy is still in there. Obviously, he's gone home. This is the next day. And he's still parked really badly there. He shouldn't be allowed to park there. And there's another van in the roadworks, but it's facing the other way, so we can't see if there's anyone in that or not. So what are we going to do? We're going to come back the other way a little while later, and we'll see. Obviously, the van over there to the left is still there. No one working, you can see that. Why they're not working? Because they're still stuck in their van. There he is. You're not going to get it done that way, are you? There must be a lot of paperwork in digging up roads because they all seem to have their heads down. Maybe they're playing with their phones, eh?
The 19th of February.
So we've moved on one day and there has been some progress. Yes, they've moved the roadworks from one side of the road to the other side of the road. So I didn't see it happen, so I don't know what they did, but they've just moved everything over to the other side of the road. As per usual, they're in their van, their lights are on, their engine's on because it's cold and they're trying to keep warm in their van. You know, it's February, it's quite cold. God forbid them trying to get out of their van and working up a bit of a sweat doing some work. After all, they can just stay in their van, stay warm with the engine on because they're not paying for it, are they? We are. Now, I've paused it here just to show you they've got a couple of signs over to the right-hand side there, but we're not really looking at that. We're looking a little bit further down the road in between them two cars. That's very important for the next clip I'm going to show you, and especially the black car right at the very end of this video, okay?
The 21st of February.
Yeah, we've moved on to the 21st of February and they've put all the earth from the job that they're doing around the corner on this bit of road, right where that black car is. There's two vans down this road here. They're both still sitting in these vans. You can't see the other one, but you can see this one because this guy is trying to get employer of the season because you won't believe it. Look, keep watching. Look, he opens the door. He's figured out how to open the door of his van. So he is definite candidate for employer of the season. That guy. Oh, he's getting back in. Oh, never mind. So we drive through the roadworks here and we come across another van. And look, there's someone sitting in the passenger seat of that van. There's a random guy standing there talking to the driver. So there's two people sitting in that van as well. Nearly, what, 10 to 11-ish. Yeah, do they ever get out of these vans? Still the 21st of February and we're coming back the other way now. Any chance of some work? No, it's nearly 3. It's nearly 3. You don't expect them to work past 3 o'clock, do you? They've all gone home. Yeah, and just done nothing basically. Yeah, they've all gone.
The 24th of February.
So we've moved on 3 days. Let's see if there's any progress today. So as we go through the roadworks, yeah, there's a big lorry down there and I cannot see if there's anyone sitting in it because of the reflections, but there's someone out of their van and look, there's someone actually digging a hole and he was told to get a fork and a shovel and he's come back with 2 fire extinguishers. But at least someone's actually doing something. Same day we're coming back the other way. And any progress? If you look over to the right, you'll see someone sitting in his van. The guy that was walking across the road with a fire extinguisher is holding on for dear life to the lorry because he's absolutely exhausted. He's had to get out of the van and walk across the road with 2 fire extinguishers, so he's absolutely exhausted. So we're going to skip forward one day.
The 25th of February.
So let's see what's going on today, the very next day. My hopes were high because we've just seen them dig a hole the day before. Yes, getting out of their vans and digging a hole. So my hopes are high. I'm really positive about what I'm about to see. Well, there's 3 vans down here today. The one that's facing us, the white van facing us, there's a guy sitting in that looking down on his phone. If we look over to the left, there's a guy in there looking down, looking at his phone. And if we go to the rear camera, you will see that that guy there is sitting in his van, looking down, looking at his phone. So we're back to square one again. 3 guys, 3 vehicles doing nothing. We're paying for this. We are paying for this in our bills. So literally same day, a couple of minutes later. So I don't expect anything to be happening. I expect them to still be sitting in their vans, and they are. All of them are sitting in their vans, but I'm not going to pause it to show you because I've literally gone past here literally about a minute and a half ago. So we're going to be turning right here, and I'm going to show you the mound of earth that they've just moved. I mean, this takes time to move the earth from where they are to put it here in a residence parking only bit there. I mean, what would they have done if people were parked all along here? And sometimes it's like that down this road. It's normally chock-a-block with parking. What would they have done with the earth then?
The 26th of February.
So, any progress? No. There's a guy over there sitting in his van facing us there, and there's two vans down here today. Well, just before 9 o'clock anyway. And head down, looking at something on his lap, his phone maybe. Now about half an hour later-ish, 20 minutes later, there's three vans down here. Look, there's employer of the season. He was late to get to the party, but he's here now. The rest of them are all still sitting in their vans though. Yeah, 20 past 9. They should be working, shouldn't they? I mean, you know, that one's in his van. He's getting out of his van, so he's up for a bonus. He is. He's figured out how to open the door. And you got this guy here that is still sitting in his van. How do you get a job like this?
The 2nd of March.
So we've moved on a few days, and as you can see down the road there, the roadworks have gone. But the mound of earth is only just being picked up here. Now, as per usual, there's someone still sitting in their truck there. How many more times you've got to see someone sitting in a van or a truck? Now, here's the stupid thing. They've taken that earth from round the corner, they've dug it up round the corner, and they've put it in a lorry like this one, brought it round here and dumped it on the ground here. Now they're picking it up to put it back in the same sort of lorry to take away. I mean, what sort of company works like that? You dig it up, you put it in a lorry like this, and you take it away, don't you? I mean, that is simple, but not this lot. They dig it up, they put it in a lorry like this, they bring it round the corner, they dump it on the ground. About 2 weeks later, they bring the same lorry back, pick it all up, and then take it away. But it's worse than that. They're not only making work for theirself, it's worse than that, and I will show you what I mean in a second. As we go to the rear camera in a second, I'll show you that there is a guy there scooping it up because the big grabber on the lorry there can't pick up the little bits. So there is a guy there that's scooping it all up into a little mound like that there. So there is someone working there, even though there's someone sitting in the lorry.
The 3rd of March.
So the very next day, and you can see the roadworks have gone, well, sort of. That there is hiding a load of manhole covers. They've been replaced by these temporary yellow things all the way down the road, and all the original manhole covers down the road are behind that barrier there. Yeah, so they haven't finished, they haven't tidied up after themselves. We don't know whether they're going to come back and put the manhole covers, the original manhole covers back. So anyway, we're going to turn around here, and there's a barrier still there where the mound was. And look, that guy that was scooping up all the earth, the rest of the earth, they've only gone and fucking left it there, haven't they? They've left it there for someone else to come and pick up. So another man has got to come down here in his van, have a good sit down before picking up that little piece of earth, which they could have done the very first time that they dug it up. But no, they have to do it 3 times.
The 6th of March.
It's finally gone, but look at the state that they've left. They haven't bothered hosing it down or nothing like that. They've just left it there to just look like a piece of shit, really. Just look like a terrible road. No need for it, you know. Tidy up after yourself. But these guys just don't, do they? They just don't. And look at what they've done to that car with all their earth and splattering and everything else. They've just gone and left that car looking like that. Absolute disgrace.
The 2nd of April.
So nearly a complete month from the last clip, we're just driving down the same road again, and look at the signs. Look at the signs. Yes, the roadworks are back. Yes, the same gas company is back digging up the road, or I should say, you will not be surprised in me saying this, they're sitting in their van just watching the world go by, well, watching their phones really, making people wait in traffic lights, temporary traffic lights, while they sit in their van. And this is a month from the last clip. Me being a good boy here, I'm keeping the junction clear as you're supposed to do, and we're just going to go and drive through this roadworks. I keep calling them roadworks. It's just a bunch of cones with traffic lights and someone sitting there sunbathing, looking at their phones. Look at them, two of them in the van doing absolutely nothing yet again. Now tell me, is this cost effective working for you? It isn't for me. Maybe I've been self-employed for too long and I notice these sort of things, but no, this is bad management, bad working, bad everything on this. And we're just going to come round the corner here, and for all you people that have said that the rain would have washed that all away, well, it hasn't. Look, as you can see to the right hand side, it's still messy as hell where they just haven't bothered to tidy it up. Not good, not good at all.
The 7th of April.
So the 7th of April, and if you look over to the right hand side, the van coming towards us, it's one of them. They did wave to, not me, to this guy over to the left, who is still sitting in his van. There's two of them sitting in the van. The roadworks are almost gone. Over to the right hand side, all the manhole covers are still covered behind that barrier there, and all down the road are the temporary yellow ones. So is it me? Is this acceptable, this sort of working? Am I allowed to have a good old moan at the British workforce? Or
Tony's always moaning. This time it's the good old British workforce time to get to moany Tony.
anyway, that's it for today, guys. Let us know in the comments section down below if you've got to the end of this video, and what do you think of our British workforce here? Am I right to have a moan of them, or is that just acceptable? Anyway, guys, thanks a lot for watching, and I will catch you on the next one. Bye for now.